Hi! Can you see how much dirty this cloth is? This is the dust from my AC vent, the centralized type. You can see the difference between the portion out of which the air comes out and the portion that covers the borders, which looks pretty new. So, this is the amount of dust that goes inside us every day. Let me show you the installation process, how we fix this cloth on our AC vent as a DIY. You can try it in your home too. To do this, we need to take stole cloth that should be thin, allows the air to pass through, and you can also choose the color of your choice. PVC trunking you can buy from any electrical shop, and M seal. First, you need to cut the PVC according to your vent size and cut diagonally at the ends. Now apply the premixed M seal to the PVC base and fix it to the borders of the vent. Ensure that you press it firmly to the ceiling such that it doesn't slip off. As you can see, the base gets fixed after 2 minutes. Now you must pull the cloth into the base as it covers the base and cover the cloth with the top of the PVC trunking. As you fix the top portion into the base, you can clear the click sound once it gets fixed tightly. This is the way you need to cover all the four corners of the vent and cut down the excess cloth that is hanging outside. So every 3 to 6 months you can reuse after washing or change the cloth as per your dust load. Breathe a little safe, and thanks for watching.